Mistake number 2. So mistake number 2 is forgetting to include evidences to support your competency claims. Again, in the booklet is very clear. Engineers Australia is asking you to make sure that you attach enough evidences to support your the claims in your category. For example, if you are applying for a professional engineer category, there are a lot of examples that you need to use to demonstrate your competencies as a professional engineer. And a part of those examples is the enough evidences to support your claims. For example, pictures, diagrams, photos, calculations, formulas, tables. So all of those things you will need to be able to demonstrate and attach in your career episode to support your claims of your competencies. So that's certainly very, very important.